Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design, who's Melissa with Mo Creations, Lisa, who you see I'm a diva, Gloria with Girlier's Cards, and I'm also joining hashtag Said More Makes. It's Jill, she's Jillian Norwood Design, Greenwood Girl Cards. So Jill asked that you craft all week and then upload any crafting that you've done and share with everyone on Saturday morning. 2crafters1design, they give you a theme each week and they want you to share items that you made with that theme on Saturday. And so their theme this week was butterfly. I love butterflies. I have a ton of butterflies. So I went and looked in my stash and tried to find something to make that would be a little different. Kind of like in a crafting slump. I don't know when I'll come out of it, but it's been really difficult for me to not create a card with just flowers, beautiful flowers, usually from a Spellbinder's die. So kind of, thinking of butterflies or something different, so I was happy to join. So let me share with you what I used. So I used this ribbon I got from, I'm pretty sure, Joanne, and it's Ofre, and it's this black with white stitching. From Honeybee Stamps, I use these cute little gem stickers called Fresh Brood. Reach for Odie Bug Diddy. This is from May Made It, and this is God's Blessing stamp set. Haven't used this in I don't know when, so I was happy to use that. And then I have this, I don't know who this die set is by, and I use one of the little scallop circles for that in that one. The star of the show was the Spellbinders die called Layered Butterflies. It consists of 4 cutting dies, so you can make your butterfly kind of fancy, or you can make them kind of with the outline. And then last but not least, I used from Spellbinders 3D embossing folder, and it's called Flower and Foliage. I think this is the first time I've used this, so I was excited to use this. I tell you, if I have to choose any one item or type of item that I have been using and enjoying the most within the last year, it would have to be the Spellbinders 3D embossing folders. I simply love them. So let me share the card that I made. So here's the card. I made a get well card for a friend of mine. I know she had surgery last week, and so I'm gonna send this card to her and probably call her next week or the week after, give her some time to heal up. And what I did was, when I put the ribbon down, I noticed that when I put it down, it seemed to have made it all the way to the edge. But then when you look at it, it doesn't look like it's already to the edge. So what I'll do is just take my fine tip Sharpie and just kind of color that in right there, and then that'll take care of that problem. But I thought it was cute. I basically used colors that were on my desk, paper that was on my desk, and it's all paper from Joanne. It's the basil paper, and from some previous projects that, I just kind of like to do that sometimes, is use what just really is available. So what I did was I cut the base of the butterfly out twice, and then I'm not going to put any foam squares or anything back, but hopefully, when she receives it, it'll still be a little layered showing here. But I thought it turned out really cute. I'll show you the inside. I normally don't show the inside of my cards, but I wanted to share with you how I use the outline of the butterfly again, and how well it looks on this page, and added a lot of color. So I used the stamp. It says, "May God bless you as you recover." So I think it's a super cute get well card that I am happy to mail out. So let me know what you think below. Be sure to check out all the other designs with the hashtag 2crafters1design, and also the hashtag Said More Makes. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.